Hello, welcome back. We're going to start things off with a little bit of aftermath of an incident. In this case, we'll be driving over to the other side of the road. There's really no other option. It's basically going to be down to a single lane. You have to respect oncoming traffic. And yes, you're going over a double yellow line. It is what it is. If this happens on the test or any other situation, this is the course of action you should take. And this was actually, again, a new driver. So when people always ask me why are the rates for new drivers so much higher, it's just because, when you're young, you don't drive the same way you do when you're older. In most cases, not always, but it's just, unfortunately, everyone else has to pay the price. Sometimes we get stuck in the intersection. We don't know what happened here from the beginning, but, as I always say, try to clear the intersection when it's safe, if you already are in it. If you reverse in the intersection, you can actually get a ticket for it. Thus, it's usually going to be an automatic fail. When a three-point turn might be applicable in a situation like this, perhaps see everyone's going this way and the road's closed. So now we're all going to have to turn around and do a U-turn or a three-point turn or a two-point turn, get out of there. So I'm doing a three-point turn. Or you can do a two-point turn in a similar situation as long as you have somewhere to back into, a driveway or whatnot, as long as it's safe. And these things can happen unexpectedly. Right? Sometimes the road closure signs are not set up properly. Sometimes they're not set up at all. Look at that truck there. Turning on the red light and then going completely into the opposing lane, cutting someone off. That's just really shitty driving. Don't expect the cars to stop. It's nice when they do, but always wait for the cars to stop if you're going to be turning on the yellow or on the red. Wait for the cars to stop, always. That's not a right turning lane or a straight going lane. You should have just made a left turn. But there's a lot of idiotic driving lately. Again, why are you occupying both lanes? Your ass ain't that fat. Passing a vehicle, a slow-moving vehicle. Make sure it's clear, accelerate. And that is totally fine. I was going 30, so I literally sped up to maybe 50, 55. Don't turn like this. Just completely wrong side of the road. And then you just pretty much stay there. Also, don't drive like this. Don't turn left until it's clear. I shouldn't have to slow down for you. I don't know why this keeps happening, but for some reason in Burnaby, people don't like sidewalks. What the Some more idiotic behavior. Just jaywalking in the middle of Hastings, impeding traffic. Just get into your car, huh? What if you don't get there? U-turn coming up here, top left. Terrible U-turn. Now, this is a kind of a similar situation as previously, but this car has not entered into the intersection, right? So in this case, there shouldn't be going anywhere, but he's still gonna turn on the red light. Like, that green light is not for you. And kind of a sketchy situation here. Sort of a close call, but so make better choices. See you in the next video. Cheers.